guys, my name is Shuli and welcome back to my channel. So I came across a lot of girls commenting under my clothing video about why they're not seeing results, or kind of getting disheartened by not being able to see optimal results, or comparing their results with the other girls. And like, I know how sad it is, so I'm just here to tell you why it is not working and things you could do to rectify this entire situation and make the clothing challenge work for you. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Before we move into this video, I would request you to go down and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make a lot of videos on beauty, fitness, lifestyle, and just a lot of general stuff. So yeah, you should go and check out my channel, and if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and comment down your video requests if you have anything at all. Also, my Instagram is linked down in the description box below. I do a lot of stuff there. Let's be friends. Come on, follow me on Instagram. Let's jump into the video now. So I've made a list so that I don't trail off when I start talking, so that it's easier for me to tell you why things may not be working for you, because I came across a lot of comments and people being very disheartened. There's nothing to be disheartened, results always are different for different people because of different body types, different lifestyles, different backgrounds. So I think you should just enjoy the process and give it your 100%, and it will happen for you. But there must be certain things that you might be doing wrong, and maybe rectifying those things could actually help you gain the results that you want. So let me start with the first point that I have written here is you may be eating too many calories. So I'm going to tell you something. Your abs are the weirdest muscle in your body. I'll tell you why. Because when you start getting fat, I feel your stomach starts bulging out the first, and when you start getting thin, that is the last piece of shit to go back. Your stomach as a woman can be really behaving differently all throughout the month. During the periods, it's a little bit more bloated. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you're like really snatched. So it behaves differently. If you eat a lot of calories, your stomach, generally looks a little bloated and a little big. So for this challenge to actually work on you, I would suggest that you follow a diet and put yourself in a caloric deficit. Going into a calorie deficit is very simple. The simplest way that I like to adapt it is by fasting for a certain period of time and eating for a certain period of time. So when you obviously decrease the hours of eating, you are going to consume lesser calories as compared to what you would consume if you start eating throughout the entire day. So this is how I like to decrease my calories. I do intermittent fasting whenever I can. I skip my breakfast. I don't like eating breakfast, and it does not matter if I do or do not eat my breakfast, but I listen to my body. Sometimes I'm in the mood for some pancakes or for some French toast or something like that, then I will go ahead and eat my breakfast. I don't force my body to do anything unnatural, but I am a person who likes to eat their dinner and does not mind if they do not eat their breakfast. So I follow an intermittent fasting window throughout the later part of the day, where I get to eat my dinner as my last meal before I go to bed. You do you. If you like eating breakfast, start your window earlier and end your window earlier, whatever. But do an intermittent fasting style eating, and it's definitely going to reduce the number of calories, and I'm sure you see your results faster. Number 2, you are not burning enough calories. A lot of people like me thought that only that particular abs in 2 weeks video is the entire clothing challenge. It's actually not. There's an entire 2-week shred challenge whose part that 14 abs in 14 days wala video is. So if you don't burn enough calories, your body does not lose the optimum amount of fat that it is supposed to lose. So I would suggest that you either do the entire 14-day shred challenge or whatever, or just include some other forms of workout with this, so that you burn a little bit more number of calories. Easiest way to lose fat is either decrease the number of calories that you eat or increase the number of calories that you burn. If you do both, the results are going to be unimaginable. So whatever suits you better, just start slow. Start eating low number of calories, then start increasing the number of calories that you burn, and then make both of these work hand in hand. And I am 100% sure that you will definitely see results that last the longest and that look the best. Number 3, I don't want you to take this in the wrong way and be offended by any chance. But the reason that your abs would not be showing is because either you don't have enough muscle or you have too much fat. That's pretty obvious. Muscles are underneath your fats, like the fat is over your muscles. So even if you have well developed muscles, if you have too much fat, your muscles won't show because of a lot of fat present in your body. So the girls whose results you see on YouTube, you have no idea about their background. Their background must be a little different than yours, and you don't have to get disheartened by somebody else's results. Like, I'm going to give you a little background about myself. I have been a national powerlifting champion in 2018. I was a state level gold medalist, a district level gold medalist, and a national level silver medalist. So I have been working out since 2016. I am a pretty heavy lifter. And I work out every single day, not during the lockdown, obviously. Before the lockdown, when life was normal, I go to the gym every single day. I generally consume a very high protein diet, so my body has a really good muscular base because of my training technique and my training pattern and everything around it. So me gaining weight now is because of some emotional problems, because of stress, anxiety, stress eating, hormonal imbalances, etc. So despite of gaining a lot of fat, my body is still pretty muscular underneath it. What the Chloe Ting challenge actually did was, I already had a pretty strong core. I mean, I already do have a pretty strong core because I lift heavy, because I've already been doing a lot of core workouts for a lot of time, for years now. So I already have that base underneath, lying underneath. The only thing I did was, with the challenge, I enhanced it better. I went into a little bit of a caloric deficit, so the fat and the bloat and the water went down, and you could actually see the abs peeking through from within, which is not very prominent, but it was there. It was something. So you may be just somebody who is beginning with this, starting with this. It does not necessarily have to look like me or all those extremely snatched waist girls that you see. They are already skinny, and when you're thinner, when you have less fat, it's easier for the abs to show, or when you're more muscular, it's easier for the abs to show. So those are the problems. Do not get disheartened by looking at other people's results. Use them as a way of a motivation that you have to reach at the best potential of your own body. Do not compare it with anybody else. Use other people's videos as guideposts, just to be motivated and not be disheartened by their results and by what you're not getting. 14 days is actually a very less amount of time to see any significant result if you are somebody who is just starting off with this. Which brings me to my next point, which is results take time. Yes, they do take time. Consistent hard work, consistent effort, consistent clean eating, and consistent workouts for prolonged period of time gives you the result that are amazing and that really last for a very, very, very long time. So you have to be patient, you have to be consistent, and you have to just keep at it. You don't have to lose heart. You just have to be a little motivated all the time to see results. And trust me, the day you see results, the day you see your clothes fitting better, the day you see people noticing and complimenting you, is going to be the best feeling ever. Be patient and results are going to come. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I answered a few of your queries that you may have had. And all the best. Do not lose heart, do not lose hope, and keep working out. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.